عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أحبابي، أخبارنا إيه؟ درس لذيذ، درس جميل جدا. النهاردة we are going to talk about farm animals. What animals are there on the farm? What can you see on the farm? What animals can you see on the farm? Number one, cow. A cow. I can see cows on the farm. Number two, rabbit. Rabbit. I can see a rabbit on the farm. There are rabbits on the farm. Number three, ducks. Ducks. There are ducks on the farm. Number four, pig. Pig. There is a pig on the farm. There are pigs on the farm. We can see pigs on the farm. Number five, goat. A goat. Number six, deer. Deer. Deer غزالة. Number seven, bees. Bees. Number eight, sheep. Sheep. There are sheep on the farm. Sheep. There is a sheep on the farm. There are sheep on the farm. لاحظ ان sheep هي مفرد وجمع. Fish. Number 9, fish. Number 10, a turkey. Number 11, dove. Number 12, chickens. Number 13, horse. A horse. Repeat after me. Number 1, cow. Number 2, rabbit. Number 3, ducks. Number 4, pig. Number 5, goat. Number 6, deer. Number 7, bees. Number 8, sheep. Number 9, fish. Number 10, turkey. Number 11, dove. Number 13, chickens. Number 12, chickens. Number 13, horse. There are cows, sheep, deers, and horses on the farm. I can see cows, rabbits, ducks on the farm. I can see أستطيع أن أرى. There are إيه اللي موجود. There are cows, rabbits, and ducks on the farm. Thanks, goodbye, and good luck.